While a specific statute, code, or code of federal regulations does not mandate construction portfolios for land-based facilities, industry standards and regulations offer guidance. The National Electrical Code, specifically Article 110.11, requires identification of the circuit providing power and readily accessible means of identifying conductors connected in parallel. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration's Electrical Safety Standard, found in 29 Code of Federal Regulations 1910.303, requires suitable labels or other markings to identify electrical circuits and equipment. The National Fire Protection Association 70E, Standard for Electrical Safety in the Workplace, recommends electrical schematics, single-line diagrams, or other established documentation to provide information on electrical systems. In Mississippi, the Electrical Safety Regulations for the State of Mississippi, specifically Mississippi Administrative Code Title 22, Part 17, references the National Electrical Code and adopts it as the state's electrical code. The absence of certified drawings can create legal issues. Firstly, it can lead to non-compliance with industry standards. Secondly, it poses difficulty in troubleshooting electrical problems. Thirdly, it creates safety hazards for employees and contractors. Fourthly, it increases the risk of liability in the event of an accident. It is advisable to develop and maintain accurate and up-to-date electrical drawings. This ensures compliance with industry standards. It improves safety. It facilitates efficient maintenance and troubleshooting. To elaborate further on the National Electrical Code requirements, Article 110.11 emphasizes clear identification. This means that every electrical circuit should be readily identifiable. This helps prevent accidental contact with energized parts. It also aids in quickly isolating circuits during maintenance or emergencies. The requirement for readily accessible means of identifying conductors connected in parallel is crucial for maintaining balanced loads and preventing overheating. When conductors are connected in parallel, it's essential to ensure that each conductor carries its fair share of the current. Proper identification helps in verifying this balance and ensuring that the conductors are not overloaded. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration's Electrical Safety Standard in 29 Code of Federal Regulations 1910.303 mandates suitable labels or other markings. These markings should clearly indicate the purpose and voltage of each circuit and piece of equipment. This requirement aims to protect employees from electrical hazards by providing them with the information they need to safely interact with electrical systems. Proper labeling can prevent accidental contact with energized parts. It can also help employees quickly identify the correct circuit to energize for maintenance or repair work. National Fire Protection Association 70E provides comprehensive guidance on electrical safety in the workplace. While it doesn't mandate specific types of drawings, it strongly recommends the use of electrical schematics, single-line diagrams, or other established documentation. These documents should provide detailed information on the electrical systems, including circuit layouts, equipment locations, and protective device settings. Electrical schematics are detailed diagrams that show the connections between electrical components. Single-line diagrams are simplified representations of electrical systems that focus on the main power flow. Both types of diagrams can be valuable tools for troubleshooting electrical problems and ensuring that the electrical systems are operating safely and efficiently. The Electrical Safety Regulations for the State of Mississippi adopting the National Electrical Code as the state's electrical code means that all electrical installations in Mississippi must comply with the National Electrical Code requirements. This includes the requirements for circuit identification, labeling, and documentation. Failure to comply with the National Electrical Code can result in fines, penalties, and even legal action. Developing and maintaining accurate electrical drawings is a best practice for any facility, regardless of whether it is explicitly required by law. Accurate drawings can save time and money. They provide a clear understanding of the electrical system. This can prevent accidents and ensure compliance with safety regulations. Several factors contribute to the legal implications of not having certified drawings. Non-compliance with industry standards exposes the company to potential fines and penalties from regulatory agencies. Difficulty in troubleshooting electrical problems can lead to increased downtime, lost production, and higher maintenance costs. Safety hazards for employees and contractors can result in serious injuries or even fatalities. Increased risk of liability in the event of an accident can result in costly lawsuits and damage to the company's reputation. Firstly, developing and maintaining accurate electrical drawings provides numerous benefits. It improves safety by providing employees with the information they need to safely interact with electrical systems. Secondly, it facilitates efficient maintenance and troubleshooting by providing a clear understanding of the electrical system. Thirdly, it ensures compliance with industry standards and regulations, which can help to avoid fines, penalties, and legal action. Fourthly, it reduces the risk of accidents and injuries, which can save lives and prevent costly lawsuits. Fifthly, it enhances the company's reputation by demonstrating a commitment to safety and compliance. When creating electrical drawings, it's important to follow industry best practices and standards. Firstly, use a consistent and standardized format. Secondly, clearly label all circuits and equipment. Thirdly, include all relevant information, such as voltage, current, and protective device settings. Fourthly, keep the drawings up to date. Fifthly, store the drawings in a safe and accessible location. In addition to creating electrical drawings, it's also important to implement a comprehensive electrical safety program. This program should include regular inspections, maintenance, and training. By taking these steps, you can create a safe and compliant electrical system. This will protect employees and assets. The absence of certified drawings can lead to several specific challenges. Firstly, it makes it difficult to trace circuits and identify the source of power for different equipment. This can be problematic when troubleshooting electrical issues. Secondly, it increases the risk of errors during maintenance and repairs, as technicians may not have a clear understanding of the electrical system. Thirdly, it can delay emergency response times, as first responders may not be able to quickly locate and de-energize circuits in the event of a fire or other incident. Fourthly, it can create confusion and uncertainty among employees who may not know how to safely operate or maintain electrical equipment. Fifthly, it can make it difficult to comply with insurance requirements, as insurance companies may require documentation of the electrical system's safety and compliance. To address these challenges, it's important to prioritize the creation and maintenance of accurate electrical drawings. This may involve hiring a qualified electrical contractor to survey the facility and create detailed drawings. It may also involve investing in software or other tools to help manage and update the drawings. Once the drawings are created, it's important to train employees on how to use them and to keep them readily accessible for reference. By taking these steps, you can create a safer and more efficient electrical system. In the context of the question, where the plant has little to no certified drawings, the situation poses several risks. The lack of drawings means the facility operates with a significant knowledge gap regarding its electrical infrastructure. This gap increases the likelihood of electrical accidents, equipment damage, and regulatory violations. Moreover, the absence of documentation hinders the ability to effectively manage and maintain the electrical system, leading to inefficiencies and potential safety hazards. For in-house manufactured control consoles, the lack of drawings means that any modifications or repairs are performed without a clear understanding of the original design. This can introduce errors, compromise safety, and make it difficult to troubleshoot problems. For listed standalone systems, the lack of drawings means that the facility relies solely on the manufacturer's documentation, which may not be readily available or may not accurately reflect the as-built configuration of the system. This can make it difficult to integrate the system with the rest of the plant's electrical infrastructure and can hinder troubleshooting efforts. The fact that the plant is located in Mississippi is relevant because Mississippi has adopted the National Electrical Code as its electrical code. This means that the plant is required to comply with the National Electrical Code requirements for electrical installations, including the requirements for circuit identification, labeling, and documentation. Failure to comply with these requirements can result in fines, penalties, and even legal action. Therefore, it's crucial for the plant to develop and maintain accurate electrical drawings to ensure compliance with the National Electrical Code and to mitigate the risks associated with the lack of documentation. The regulatory body surveys mentioned in the question highlight the importance of maintaining up-to-date documentation. These surveys are designed to assess the facility's compliance with safety and environmental regulations. The absence of electrical drawings can raise red flags during these surveys and can lead to negative findings and corrective action requests. To avoid these issues, it's important to proactively develop and maintain accurate electrical drawings and to ensure that they are readily available for review during regulatory surveys. The recommendation to develop and maintain accurate electrical drawings is not just a matter of compliance. It's also a matter of good business practice. Accurate drawings can improve the efficiency of maintenance and troubleshooting efforts, reduce the risk of accidents and injuries, and enhance the overall safety and reliability of the plant's electrical system. In addition, accurate drawings can make it easier to plan for future upgrades and expansions of the electrical system. Therefore, investing in the creation and maintenance of electrical drawings is a wise investment that can pay dividends in the long run. To ensure the accuracy and reliability of electrical drawings, it's important to follow a rigorous process for creating, reviewing, and updating them. Firstly, use qualified personnel with expertise in electrical design and drafting to create the drawings. Secondly, verify that the drawings accurately reflect the as-built configuration of the electrical system. Thirdly, establish a formal review process to ensure that the drawings are complete, accurate, and consistent. Fourthly, implement a system for tracking changes to the electrical system and updating the drawings accordingly. Fifthly, store the drawings in a secure location and make them readily accessible to authorized personnel. By following these steps, you can ensure that your electrical drawings are a valuable resource for managing and maintaining your plant's electrical system. To further expand on the legal implications, consider that in the event of an electrical accident resulting in injury or property damage, the absence of accurate electrical drawings can be a significant factor in determining liability. If it can be shown that the lack of drawings contributed to the accident, the plant owner or operator may be held liable for negligence. This can result in substantial financial penalties and damage to the company's reputation. In addition, the lack of drawings can make it difficult to defend against claims of negligence, as it may be difficult to prove that the electrical system was designed, installed, and maintained in a safe manner. Therefore, maintaining accurate electrical drawings is not only a matter of compliance and safety, but also a matter of protecting the company from potential legal liabilities. The recommendation to develop and maintain accurate electrical drawings should be viewed as a proactive risk management strategy. By investing in the creation and maintenance of drawings, you can reduce the likelihood of electrical accidents, minimize the potential for liability, and enhance the overall safety and reliability of your plant's electrical system. This proactive approach can help to protect your employees, your assets, and your bottom line. In addition to the specific codes and standards mentioned, it's also important to be aware of any local ordinances or regulations that may apply to your plant. Some municipalities may have their own requirements for electrical installations and documentation. It's important to check with your local building department or electrical inspector to ensure that you are in compliance with all applicable regulations. Failure to comply with local ordinances can result in fines, penalties, and even the shutdown of your plant. Therefore, it's important to be proactive in researching and complying with all applicable local regulations. To summarize, while there may not be a specific statute mandating construction portfolios, the combination of NEC, Occupational Safety and Health Administration, National Fire Protection Association 70E, and state regulations, coupled with potential legal liabilities, makes maintaining accurate electrical drawings a critical aspect of plant operation in Mississippi. It's a matter of compliance, safety, risk management, and good business practice. Ignoring this aspect can have serious consequences.